Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Cecilia Karimi Homestead. So today it's another peaceful and productive morning where I will be preparing samosas for my family, and also I will be attending to my kitchen garden where I'll be pouring water for my vegetables, giving the plants the care they need to stay healthy. So thank you for your support, and also please kindly subscribe, share, comment and like, and I will really appreciate. Thank you. Guys, you remember the vegetables I planted like 2 weeks ago? These are vegetables, and actually they are doing so well. I can't regret. I replanted some spinach, some pepper, some sukuma wiki and cabbages, and spring onions, and so far so good. Yeah, despite the climate, they are doing so well. So after finishing watering the vegetables, I decided leo ni leo lazima, it's a must I try this recipe, samosa recipe. So I first boiled the meat. I put some salt. Then after boiling, I let the water drain. It drained kabisa. Then I put garlic and ginger paste. After that, nikaweka my spring onions. Yes. Nikaweka a little by little. Then stir. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you make your samosas, and you are so interested with this recipe, try it and tell me how it will come out. Yes, so while I was still when I finished cooking the meat and mixing all the ingredients, I had now to prepare some tea for So I put 2 cups of water. This is how we prepare Kenyan tea. Yeah, we put tea powder and chocolate. Then I had to go and get some some rosemary in the garden, which I'll use it to add it into the tea. It gives a very good aroma and a very good taste. That's why I love it. After that, I had to come and wash it thoroughly, and then pour it into the tea. Then I had to wait for it. I also had to put sugar, And after putting sugar, I had to wait for it to boil. And when I was still waiting for it to boil, I had to mix to make the dough, the samosa dough, which I used hot water. I put some salt. I stir first, then I put water. I had to mix the dough until it mix up well. So while I was still mixing the dough, my tea boiled up, and so now I had to put it aside after boiling. And then I continued with the dough, molding the dough. Yeah. So guys, I do it like this to make it easier to cut it into small. Yeah. And once I'm done, I will roll them into small balls.